LedgerStack brings your projects, crews, documents, and clients together in one organized platform. Everything starts with your organization, your company account where projects, workers, and workflows are managed. Create a new project, add your customer information, job site address, and job description. Customize job stages and file categories to match the way your business operates. Keep everything organized in one place. Site photos, invoices, estimates, measurements, correspondence, documents, and signed documents. As files are uploaded, LedgerStack AI categorizes them and summarizes each document, so your project folder stays organized without extra data entry. When you need the big picture, admins can generate an AI project summary, a single view of status, files, notes, messages, and recent activity. Invite workers with a simple invite code, assign them to projects, and let them upload photos, videos, PDFs, and updates directly from the field. Every upload becomes part of the project record, keeping office and field teams aligned in real time. Need to keep clients informed? Share selected files and project progress through secure client access. When documents need approval, send them for e-signature. Once signed, completed copies are automatically stored in signed documents. Need answers fast? Ask the project AI assistant about documents, status, timelines, notes, or schedules. From first contact to final completion, LedgerStack keeps every project organized, connected, and easy to manage. LedgerStack. Everything in one stack.